from First Maths. Today we are looking at Year 4, Block 2, Assessment Paper 2. The answers are at the end of the quiz. So, are you ready to go? Let's go. Question 1. I have 4 numbers. The first number is 7,615. The second number is 2,931. The third number is 1,613. And the last number is 2,349. Use these numbers to write 4 true statements below. Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 2. Round these numbers to the nearest 10 and then to the nearest 100. For example, 265 rounded to the nearest 10 is 270. And this rounded to the nearest 100 is 300. Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 3. Complete the table. Here are the fractions and here are the decimal fractions. Put them so that the fraction and the decimal fraction are the same, equivalent to each other. Pause the video until you are ready for question 4. Here comes question 4. Question 4. Find 2 numbers in the grid that total 100 exactly and write them in a number sentence. Something plus something equals 100. There are 2 answers you could find in this grid. Pause the video until you are ready for question 5. Question 5 is now coming, and here is question 5. Complete these multiplication grids. You have to work out what are the missing numbers. For example, 5 times something makes 10. 5 times something makes 15. Pause the video and work out what the answers are. Here comes question 6. Change this pancake recipe for 8 people to a recipe for 2 people. For 8 people, I need 840 grams of flour, 1 litre of milk and 8 eggs. What would I need if I only have 2 people? Pause the video until you are ready to answer question 7. Here comes question 7. What is the winning lottery number? It is less than 40. It divides exactly by 4. The units digit is 3 more than the tens digit. Pause the video until you are ready to answer question 8. Here comes question 8. Question 8. In a sale, Mum bought 5 t-shirts for £11. How much was 1 t-shirt? Show you're working, you may get a mark. Pause the video until you are ready for question 9. Here comes question 9. Question 9. A variety bag of snacks containing 10 packets costs £2.80. How much would 1 packet cost? Show you're working, you may get a mark. Pause the video until you are ready for question 10. Here comes question 10. Question 10a. Answer these questions about the pictogram. On which day does the school get most calls? How many? Pause the video until you are ready to answer question 10b. Here comes question 10b. On which day does the school get release calls? How many? Pause the video until you are ready for question 10C. Here comes 10C. How many calls were received altogether during the week? Pause the video until you are ready to answer 10D. Here comes 10D. 10D. How many more calls were received on Monday than on Friday? Pause the video until you are ready for the next part. Here comes the next part. The answers. Question 1. 1,613 is smaller than 2,349. There may be other answers as well. 2,349 is smaller than 2,931. 7,615 is bigger than 2,931. 2,931 is bigger than 2,349. Number 2. 57 goes to 60, rounds to 100. 629 rounds to 630 to the nearest 10, and to 600 for the nearest 100. 73 rounds to the nearest 10 is 70, while it rounds up to 100 for the nearest 100. 585 rounds to 590, and that rounds to 600. Here are the decimal fractions and fractions. A quarter equals 0.25. Fraction is a half or 5/5, and that equals 0.5. 8/10 or 4/5 would equal 0.8. 2/10 or 1/5 would equal 0.2. Question 4. 59 plus 41 or 57 plus 43 equals 100. Let's look at number 5. At number 5, 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 3, 15. 4. 4 times 10 is 40. 6 times 10 is 60. 8 times 10 is 80. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 8 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 8 is 48. For your recipe, question 6, 210 grams of flour, 250 grams or milliliters of milk, and 2 eggs. Question 7, 36 is the answer. Question 8, £2.20 is the answer. Question 9, 28 pence. Question 10, Monday was most popular with 50 calls. Wednesday was the least popular with 20 calls. 160 was C, and D was 115. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a new maths resource. This could be a new maths lesson, a maths game, a maths quiz. I love uploading maths stuff. I look forward to seeing you again soon, so bye for now.